The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Weld County in northeastern Colorado, east central Larimer County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Collins, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Timoth around 7:40 p.m. Winds are around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Wellington and Severance. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm watch number 349.